Here are 5 interesting facts about 2 International Finance Centre, IFC, in Hong Kong. Before we dive into the facts about the 2 International Finance Centre, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Number 1. Tallest building in Hong Kong, 2003-2010. When completed in 2003, the 2 IFC was the tallest building in Hong Kong, standing at 415 metres, 1,362 feet. It held this title until the completion of the International Commerce Centre in 2010. Number 2. Part of a landmark complex. The building is part of the larger International Finance Centre complex, which includes the IFC Mall and the Four Seasons Hotel. It's a hub for business and luxury shopping in Hong Kong. Number 3. Featured in Hollywood films. 2 IFC gained global attention when it appeared in the 2008 Batman movie, The Dark Knight. A scene was shot where Batman jumps off the building. Number 4. Financial powerhouse. As the name suggests, the building houses several major financial institutions, including the Hong Kong Monetary Authority. It's considered a critical financial centre in Asia. Number 5. Eco-friendly design. 2 IFC incorporates environmentally friendly designs like energy-efficient glass and low-energy lighting systems. It's a leader in promoting sustainability in high-rise structures. These features make 2 IFC a remarkable and iconic part of Hong Kong's skyline.